Managing DB2 is done via two exit points. DBL, the ODBC logon exit, and DBR, the ODBC request exit. Filter with data in the description field. Release DBL, also named ODBC logon, and DBR, also named ODBC request. Connect to the server with ODBC. Connected. Server job is 038311/user/xdasoinit. We got the connect event. Details of the connect event. Page 1, Identification. Page 2, the job has already changed to the connected user. Page 3, client registers are often not available. It depends on how the ODBC app is written. Page 4, Provider Information. Now, run a SQL query. This query has sent two events. None of them provides the file name. Details of the fetch event. Details of the prepare event. The function prepare contains the SQL statement, but it does not retrieve the object name. This is normal. A SQL select statement may use a large number of files. AP provides two complementary features. When you decide it is necessary, they explore the SQL statement. When it is possible, they extract the file names, and create a complementary event for each one. Each complementary event returns a decision, and if one of them is a reject, the full statement is rejected. These complementary events use the exit program ask. If program ask is held, no decision is computed. First feature is xdbr-dsc, that does a SQL describe. A SQL describe returns only the file names found in a select statement. Second is xdbr parse, that does a SQL parse, require v7.2. A SQL parse retrieve a large list of information from many SQL statements, including select, list extended in v7.4. From the log, go to rules. Rule 1121 drives the describe, Rule 1122 drives the parse. Release Rule 1121, release point ask. The sub-events generated by the parser use the nickname ask. Ask is a pseudo exit point, it does not need to be attached. Action 1121.1 is the call to xdbr-dsc. Run the SQL select again. IDB2QUERY select * from kis.cuspt. The describe got a SQL name and with that, created first a xdbr_table format for the exit program ask, then retrieve the effective QSYS name of the SQL object. Here, it is equal, created a second event xdbr_file format for the exit program ask. By the way, in SQL language, the word table is used sometimes to name a * file pf, and sometimes for a table or a view. This is the reason why. For event xdbr_table, the object type is db2, because at this time it may be either a table or a view. For event xdbr_file, the object type is * file, and the object attribute is populated. The dbr event is unchanged. The xdbr-dsc has discovered a SQL table. Details of the xdbr_table event. Page 3, the type of this SQL object is DB2. And this table has been recognized as a QSYS file. Details of the xdbr_file event. Page 3, the object is the QSYS object, with all its attributes. File epiteslib/babygirl is the sensitive file of this demo. Run the SQL select on the sensitive file. IDB2QUERY select * from epiteslib/babygirl. The query has been rejected with this message, cause, user exit program xdbr in library EPI 2205 called for the function and returned an indication that the function should not be done. Recovery, determine why the user exit program rejected the function, correct the problem, and run the function again. The ask prepare has decided to reject. This decision is promoted to the caller, the DBR prepare. Note, there is 2 xdbr_table events. It is normal, xdbr_dsc has found 2 syntaxes for the file name, one quoted, one unquoted. Go to Rules to hold Rule 1121 and release Rule 1122. Run the SQL again with Option 17 of the log and write to log. Option 17 is the event tester. It allows an event to run again even when it is difficult to recreate. This happens often on production systems. Action 1122 has called xdbr parse. Refresh the page to see the 3 new events. Page 2, same job. Page 3, same profile. Page 4, object details. AP has uppercased the names. This makes the rules not case sensitive. Page 5, event field details. Page 6, information returned by parse. The name are here not uppercased. Page 7, rules info. Example of complex statements, and verbose output of xdbr parse. The library epiteslib is created by call epidemo. The SQL source of library epiteslib is in srcpf episrc. DBR events gives the SQL statement. From the create table, parser got the list of table names, file names, and the name of the columns explicitly visible in the statement. Parser does not retrieve implicit names from a select asterisk. Parser does not retrieve the created table name, probably because it does not exist at this time. But it retrieved it from the drop statement. Page 2, nothing new. Page 3, nothing new. Page 4, table names, file names. Columns at page 5. Page 5, columns names and statement. Page 6, parser details. Page 7, nothing new. Discovered. SQL Services works with 2 points, the logon, nickname DBL, and the request, nickname DBR. DBR does not explore the statement systematically. This is done, when necessary, by parsers that can do deep analysis. AP supply example of SQL table and schema with long names. The source code is in source file episrc.